Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Let's start by our subject English. As we've completed by our 2 chapters, 3 poems, 1 writing skill and history of novel, today I am going to start by the icebreakers activity of the cop and the anthem, that is 1.3 of our chapter prose section, written by O. Henry. Let's start by the activity. The very first question in our textbook is, suppose you have gone to a place where the winter season is very severe. Discuss with your partner the ways in which you would protect yourself in the cold climate. So the four suggestion you have to provide that how you are going to protect yourself from the severe winter of the place where you have visited. So you have to write ways to protect from cold climate. 4 ways you have to write. 4 suggestion you have to provide in the box, in the given box. So let's see what will be the 4 options. To wear woolen clothes, that is the simplest way all we are doing. Second, to do exercise and keep body warm so as we can protect our body from cold climate. Next, to use room heaters so as there will be no feeling of coldness, too much of coldness in the room. And the last one, to stay inside our house, not going anywhere, just to stay inside our house where we are living. Now see, that way also you can write, and if you want to write in detail, so you can go by this way also, ways to protect from cold climate. First, wear warm clothing in several loose layers. Wear a tightly woven, preferably winter resistant coat or jacket. Inner layers of light warm clothing, mittens, hats and scarves. In wet conditions, shoes should be waterproof and have good traction. Second, wear safety equipment to keep you warm and dry when engaging in adventure activities, cold weather or around cold water. Third, stay dry. Keep yourself dry. Wet clothing chills the body rapidly. Too much perspiration will increase heat loss, so remove extra layers of clothing whenever you feel too warm. Fourth, do not ignore shivering. Shivering means when our body shivers, kapna. Okay, it's an important first sign that the body is losing heat. Persistent shivering is a signal to return indoors, that immediately we have to cut whatever we are doing, we have to end by our activity outdoors and we have to return indoors. Moving further, second is, when you see a cop approaching, you feel either relieved or scared. Cop means police. Discuss with your partner the situation when you feel relieved or scared. Means when you see a cop, so at that time, what is your feeling? Maybe you feel relieved by seeing the cop, or maybe you scared. So what kind of situation you are feeling relieved and what are the situations that you are feeling scared, that thing you have to write it down. So you see, you can see the 2 columns have been given to you. One is of relieved and second is of scared, and one is done for us and 2 we have to write. So relief, when we feel relief when we see a cop or a police, when you are walking alone in a dark street. Okay, you are all alone in a darkness in the night, at a night time. So when you see a cop, you feel relief. Yes, cop is there for my protection, right? So you have to write certain other points also when you see cop and you feel relieved, relaxed. Second, scared. When you scared, when you see police, you are riding a bike without a valid driving license, you are having no license, so there is a scaredness in your mind that maybe this cop will put me in the jail. Moving further to our answers. Scared, that is in Marathi there is bhiti vatne. First, when the police caught me without a driving license at that time, when I was riding a two-wheeler carrying two friends with me, as it is two-wheeler, so only two friends are allowed, means one who is riding and another a friend. So here three are sitting. When I came late night from the cinema theatre and the police caught me, was moving on the bus stand during corona epidemic. This is the recent example, okay, as police have given us instructions that nobody will move here and there unnecessarily. So at that time, at the corona epidemic, you are standing, you are moving here and there at the bus stand. So at the time when you see a police, you scared, right? I hope this is the best example for this. Moving further to the relieved one, that is tension free. When you are tension free, when you see a police, when the police van come to help me during an accident, when there was a fight between our neighbors, when I saw a thief stealing my friend's bag, when I missed my bus late evening and I was all alone at a bus stop. So these are the points where we see police and we have a tension free mood. Moving further to our next question. See, again here I have just written down in the box format. You can go whatever you like. One more example is here. While watching a stranger or a burglar nearby your house at night time, when you are held by a criminal, at that time you feel relief when you see a police. Scared, you are riding a bike without a valid driving license. This was already given to you. You are traveling without ticket. You are trying to steal something. Okay, so these are the points that when you feel scared when you see policemen. Moving further, discuss some of the motivating things that can change a person's life. One is given for you. Listening to an inspiring speech can change our life. That are the most motivating things in our life. So more three you have to do. Here I have given the answers. Reading a biography of a successful person, for example, APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, right? C. By experiencing various type of traditions and customs of the people. D. By traveling in all over the world. Moving to the next. Discuss some of the motivating things that can change a person's life. One is given below. Okay, so another answers I have given to you. Apart from that, what I have explained you earlier, here this points also you can take. Second, thinking positively, participating in social work, reading success stories of eminent persons, watching the inspirational videos of successful persons or people. Moving further, here we have ended by our icebreakers. Thank you so much for listening the video. I hope you are doing your icebreakers and brainstorming activities in your English notebook. So till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much.